Hello, welcome to Ali Crochet. Today I will show you how to crochet an opossum. So I'm using 4 colors of yarn: pink, white, gray, and black. And I also use 3 different sizes of crochet hook: 4.5, 2.5, and 6mm crochet hook. Then the safety eyes, of course, pair of scissors, and stitch marker if you need it, and a tapestry needle. So let's begin with the snout, which is the pink yarn, and we will be using a 2.5mm crochet hook. Now make a magic ring, chain 1, and put 5 single crochet in the ring. Then tighten up the ring and slip stitch into the beginning single crochet. Chain 1, then change the yarn color and the crochet hook size as well, and then turn your work inside out. Like I said, change your color into white, slip stitch, then put single crochet into that same stitch, then put 5 more single crochet into the following 5 stitches. So you should have a total of 6 single crochet. Now slip stitch into the beginning stitch, and chain 1. We are now going to increase our work. You can cut the pink yarn and insert or tuck in the excess yarn inside that snout. So single crochet on the very first stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch. Do this again, and 2 single crochet into the last stitch. Slip stitch into the beginning stitch, chain 1. Now we're still going to increase our work, so again, single crochet into the first stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next stitch. Do this pattern all the way around, and you should have a total of 13 stitches. Then slip stitch in the beginning stitch, chain 1. Again, we're still going to increase our work for 7 times. Single crochet into the first stitch, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, single crochet into the next, 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and you should have a total of 20 single crochet all the way around. Slip stitch in the beginning stitch, chain 1, then single crochet all the way around for a total of 20 stitches. Now slip stitch into the beginning stitch, change your crochet hook into 6mm crochet hook, letter J, chain 1, then single crochet all the way around, and this will be round 7 and 8. Then slip stitch and cut your yarn. Insert your hook again in that same stitch and change color yarn into gray. Now don't forget to slip stitch before you start, and put a chain 1 and then single crochet into that same stitch, single crochet into the next stitch, another single crochet into the next stitch. Now increase your work, which is 2 single crochet into that same stitch. So again, repeat the pattern, 3 single crochet into the following 3 stitches and 2 single crochet into the next stitch, and you should have a total of 25 stitches for round 9. Now slip stitch, and for round 10 to round 17 you are going to single crochet all the way around. But before you finish the crochet or the body, you have to put your safety eye and the stuffing as well. So I ran out of the gray yarn, so I'm using only the black yarn. So now we're going to decrease our work in round 18. So put 3 single crochet into the following 3 stitches and 2 single crochet together for 5 times, of course, and you should have a total of 20 stitches. So 3 single crochet into the following 3 stitches and 2 single crochet together into the next 2 stitches. Now again, decrease your work on round 19, 2 single crochet into the following 2 stitches and 2 single crochet together into the next stitch. And in the round 20, single crochet into the into the first stitch and decrease into the next 2 stitches for 5 times, and then close your work. But don't forget to put the stuffings. So now we're going to make an ear, slip knot, and then chain of up to 3, yarn over, and put 5 double crochet on that first chain. 1, 'then chain 2 and slip stitch on that same stitch. Chain 1, then cut your yarn and make sure to have an allowance for the sewing and make 2 of it, obviously. Now sew it on top of the eyes of your project, and don't forget to always hide the excess yarn using a bamboo stick. So now let's make a legs, which is 4 pieces of legs, and now make a magic ring and put 6 single crochet in that ring. Close the ring, Then slip stitch into the beginning single crochet, chain 1, turn your work inside out, and then single crochet all the way around for 6 times into the following 6 stitches. Then slip stitch again, slip stitch and chain 1, and then single crochet all the way around for a total of 6 single crochet. Then slip stitch and close your work, and makes 4 of this. Don't forget to always leave an allowance for the sewing. Now for the tail, which is the pink color yarn, you have to chain up to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then slip stitch all the way across for a total of 7 stitches. Then cut your yarn, make sure to have an allowance again for sewing. Now sew the tail into the back of your project, and here it is, our finished product. Thank you for watching. This is Ali Crochet. See you on my next video tutorial. Bye.